So to create your blog, you just come to your Google search and search for blogger. Blog, you search for blogger or blogger.com or blogger or blogspot.com. This is the first result, blogger.com. You enter it. If you now log in with your credentials, no need of high detailed credentials, just your email. As you can see, my email, I'm already logged into blogger. So if you are not signed up, you click on sign, you see where you see sign up. So now example, the example, what example of the keyword. From the keyword we just selected previously in the previous session, you can now, let me show you how to create a blog, how to create if you are not signed in. Okay, now if you are not signed in, let me see, let's go here, let's go to blog. I think this one will not bring out anything. I just want to log in as fresh as possible. Now this is where you start from. Now to create your blog, you have to sign in. You click on create your blog, it will take you to where you sign in. You sign in with your phone number, blah blah blah, everything. Everything. So I'm already signed in, saying if you sign in with your Google account, you sign in with your Google account. So I'm already signed in. So then, oh, let me show you the process. Can I create? All right. Okay, like this. You go to, if you are signed in, then you come and you see a place where to say create a new blog, create your blog. Then you now choose a name for your blog. Choose a name for your blog. In our case, we have self-care, isn't it? Self-care. You can complete it. Self-care. You can say self-care tips, or self-care blog. Come on, self-care blog. I don't know how to spell blog again. Self-care blog. Yeah, self-care blog. Just make it simple as possible for your clients to recognize. Then this is where you if you press next, then you come to take you to where you put your address. And let's say our address will be what, self-care. You can see it's not available. Someone is already using this kind of address. If we show you this error, sorry, this blog address is not available, that means someone is already using that type. Self-care, let's say self-care blog, someone using it also. Self-care blog, it's normal. Okay, self-care blog 247. Self-care blog 247. Let's see. Come on. The network is bad, very bad. Yo, thank God, this one is available. Self-care blog 24. So that is how you keep on writing. You just write, don't give any space. Then you come to save. You save and continue. Save and continue. Come on, MTN free me. MTN free me. Now it will take you to your new fresh blog. Now in our next lesson, we will talk about how to create a post